Togo is a small West African nation known for its vibrant culture and scenic landscapes, extending from its southern coastline on the Gulf of Guinea to its northern border with Burkina Faso. It is bordered by Ghana to the west, Benin to the east, and Burkina Faso to the north. Despite its size, Togo boasts a rich cultural heritage and a diverse environment. Geography. Togo is a narrow country that stretches north from the coast, covering a variety of geographic zones. The southern part features a sandy coastline and a series of lagoons, while moving inland, the terrain shifts to rolling hills and then to savanna and semi-arid regions in the far north. The country's highest point is Mount Agou. History. The region now known as Togo was once part of the Slave Coast and saw intense activity in the Atlantic slave trade. In the late 19th century, it became a German protectorate as Togoland and was later divided between France and Britain after World War I. Togo gained independence from France in 1960. Politics and government. Since independence, Togo has experienced periods of political instability, including lengthy rule by military leaders. Gnassingbé Eyadema ruled for 38 years following a coup in 1967 and was succeeded by his son, Faure Gnassingbé, in 2005 amid controversial elections and national unrest. Although there have been signs of political liberalization and reform, the political landscape remains dominated by the Gnassingbé family, with Faure Gnassingbé still in power. Economy. Togo's economy is primarily agricultural, with major crops including coffee, cocoa, and cotton, which are significant export commodities. In recent years, the country has also developed an important phosphate mining sector. Togo serves as a regional commercial and trade center in West Africa, with the port of Lomé being one of the busiest deepwater ports in the region. Society and culture. Togo is home to approximately 40 different ethnic groups, the largest being the Yu in the south and the Kabai in the north. French is the official language, a legacy of its colonial past, but many indigenous languages such as Yu and Kabai are widely spoken. The country is religiously diverse, with indigenous beliefs, Christianity, and Islam all having significant followings. Challenges. Togo faces numerous challenges, including political tension, economic inequality, and issues with human rights, particularly regarding freedoms of expression and assembly. Additionally, while the economy shows potential, particularly with the development of the port and export sectors, poverty and unemployment remain widespread. Environmental issues. Environmental concerns in Togo include deforestation, soil degradation, and water pollution. These issues are exacerbated by agricultural practices and the urbanization process. Despite these challenges, Togo continues to develop culturally and economically. The nation's rich cultural expressions, seen in its music, dance, and festivals, remain integral to Togolese identity and attract interest from around the world.